प्रोटेक्शन इज सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट। ट्रैवल्स और क्लास ऑलवेज अपने क्लाइमैक्स पे। So guys, I have just returned from college and I'm super tired, but there's this one video which I had plans of making and बार बस वो कर रही थी, उसको प्रोकेस्टिनेट कर रही थी, तो आई वाज लाइक आज तो बना ही देती हूँ, आज तो कॉलेज से आके सोऊंगी नहीं, जैसे मैं सो जाती हूँ, हाय जान जाए पर सोना नहीं जाए वैसे वाला। About the Nykaa hot pink sale that we had recently, I know everybody is so excited and I'll show how much we shopped, and that's how much we ended up being garib and broke and no money. And beta, you are so spendthrift. And beta, where did the money go? And I'm gonna show you what all other things that I bought and why I bought them. Let's go. So yeah. Good. Yes. So मैंने ये सारे ऑलरेडी अनबॉक्स कर चुके थे, इसमें से वन आई हैवंट इवन अनबॉक्स्ड, सो आई स्टार्ट विद देम. ओके, माय गॉड, आई एम सच अ मेसी पर्सन. सो गाइज, अपैरेंटली आई स्लेप्ट एंड आई डिड नॉट रिकॉर्ड एनीथिंग एंड आई टोल्ड यू गाइज कि मैं बहुत थकी हुई हूँ, तो इट इज़ जस्टिफाइड एज वेल. तो वी स्टार्ट विद आवर क्लेंजिंग बाम. ठीक है, आई एम यूजिंग अ क्लेंजिंग बाम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. जनरली आई यूज टू यूज क्लेंजिंग ऑयल ऑन माई फेस. And this balm, it is so good, it is so cheap as well. It literally sucks out all the impurities from your face, similar to that professor जो सारी एनर्जी हमारे रूह में से सक कर लेते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट मांग के सेम चीज़ में 50 ऑल्टरेशंस करवा के. पैकेजिंग सी and it looks like this. What we do is we take little bit of it. Hands are clean before doing this. Oh fuck. Can you massage it on your face? Can you see? My face instantly looks so refreshing and better and a little clean as well, because even if we don't know that too, there is a lot of impurities on our face. If you guys have to see the texture, then this is the texture. It's really very smooth and it blends in easily. Matlab, like actually the balm effect is real and I have applied it thoroughly all over my face. Now I'm now going to do the second step of my cleansing, which is using my foam face wash. I love foam face wash. It has 1% of salicylic acid as well. It is used for oil control and it fights acne. यार toxic friends नहीं fight हो रहे, acne fight कर लेते हैं हम. So I'm just gonna go and quickly wash my face with this. So guys, my cleansing balm is from Earth Rhythm, okay, and this foaming face wash, it's from Plum, and these two guys, they work so good together. Guys, today I'm going out with my friend, so I thought that while getting ready and actually using the products that I have got from the Nykaa Pink Haul sale, and I'll show it out and I'll make a video so that I can get two stuffs done in one go. मतलब एक तीर से दो निशाने. शायद मैंने सही मुहावरा बोला था. Never mind. So I'm done with the cleansing and now I'm gonna take a shower and I'll come back and then I'll show you all of my products that I got and how I use them in my daily life or when I have to go out. Bye bye. Yes guys, so I did take a shower and I thought that I'll take a head bath, but then यहाँ का weather जो hot and cold treatment देता है ना, मतलब मैं इतनी कंफ्यूज तो अपने सिचुएशनशिप में नहीं हुई थी जितनी मैं यहाँ के वेदर से हो जाती हूँ. कभी घनी धूप और कभी एकदम ऐसे ठंडा ठंडा मौसम जैसे कि अभी हो रहा है, जिसके कारण मेरा तबीयत ख़राब हो गया है. सो या, आई हैव अ रनिंग नोज और मैं सोच रही हूँ यहाँ पे नैपकिन लगा के, जैसे बचपन में नहीं जाते थे सेफ्टी पिन और नैपकिन यहाँ पे लटका के, वैसे जाऊँगी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, क्योंकि माई नोज इज़ रनिंग एवरी मिनट लाइक द. नाउ लेट्स गेट बैक. So yeah, next I use is this toner by Tony Moly. It's a Korean brand and it is basically rice water toner. I have transferred this toner into this छोटा सा, see, इसका texture is so good. So now put it all over the face. I got two toners. One was of Tony Moly, the other was Rose Water by Khadi Naturals. I got this because I use face masks and baki cheese पे I can mix it. No, it's good. Like rose water face mask and rose water clay mask. They're so much trending in the market and are so good for your skin. So I use it with them. Tony Moly ka toner daily. This has a very slight fragrance and a very soothing texture. So it is actually very good for your skin. And I think it's for all skin types. So guys, you can definitely go for this toner. Plus, kitna bada bottle hai, see, it's actually value for money. Toner, you know, this is the tone brightening capsule ampule. This buddy was all over my Instagram. So yeah, basically it is used for fading your pigmentation and giving an even skin tone. पहले these bubbles are so soft, मतलब वो जो क्रश से मिलने से पहले जो bubbles उठते हैं ना दिल में, वैसे टाइप का bubbles है इसमें, and it is so pretty. We just mix it. सेल से 2 मॉइस्चराइजर मंगाए. एक दिस इज प्लम बुल्गेरियन रोज एंड हाइलोनिक एसिड एंड दिस इज राइस वाटर एंड niacinamide. This has 2% niacinamide and this has 1% hyaluronic acid. I use this as a day cream and I use this as a night cream because I love options and moisturizer में भी option होना चाहिए. Very pretty and this smells so good. So I was little थोड़ा सा apprehensive about it also because it has a strong fragrance. But it has a really smooth texture like rose. Honestly, this gives such a nice एकदम मीठी सी, you know, गुलाब की खुशबू. And for a long time I was using Neutrogena ka moisturizers which are really expensive, but I feel that Plum has done a good job. This is so refreshing. और इसको हाथ में लगाने के बाद जो यू नो कोल्ड सेंसेशन दिया है ना इसने, मतलब वो जो दिल को ठंडक मिलती है ना, सर प्रेजेंस और क्लास में बोलने के बाद, सिमिलर टू दैट. सनस्क्रीन गाइस, प्रोटेक्शन है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, किसी भी तरीके का प्रोटेक्शन. और यहाँ पे तो सन इज ऑलवेज अपने क्लाइमैक्स पे. इट इज चेन्नई, साउथ इंडिया, वो भी पोथेरी. मतलब हम वो लोग हैं जो शहर छोड़ के आते हैं गाँव में. मैं तो स्टेट कैपिटल छोड़ के आई हूँ गाँव में पढ़ने के लिए. These 2 sunscreen, one is from Plum and then second one is from Fix Derma. This is a tinted sunscreen, this is a normal sunscreen. And in general, if you guys don't know, tinted sunscreen, they provide you better protection as compared to the normal sunscreen. So first we'll apply the normal sunscreen, then we'll apply the tinted sunscreen. Okay? Third तरीका देखा, which my friend does it over here, who is also my brother now. So yeah, so you put it on the various, you mix it like this. Voot. Guys, I got no white cast है ना, and इसका texture I will show you. See, this texture is so amazing. Super easy to blend and leaves no white cast at all. Plus, this was something which my flatmates had and they were using. Can you see the instant glow that this sunscreen gave me when I applied it? I applied the tinted sunscreen. Let's see. Iska texture. This too is very easily blendable and does not give any white cast. So I'm gonna apply this now. भाई मैं पोत के सनस्क्रीन लगाती हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो टैनिंग होती है ना, दैट इज़ सो फकिंग गुड. लाइक अच्छी क्वालिटी की टैनिंग होती है यहाँ पे, इसलिए अच्छे क्वालिटी का सनस्क्रीन लगाया करो गाइस. सो वी हैव अप्लाइड द टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन ऑल्सो. और वो थोड़ा मेकअप वाला फिनिश तो मेरे शक्ल पे आ गया है. टिल द पॉइंट ये सारे सनस्क्रीन अच्छे से ड्राई अप करते हैं. आई विल शो यू माई बॉडी मॉइस्चराइजर्स. बॉडी मॉइस्चराइज आई यूज दीज 2 गाइज. भाई वैसलीन की तो चांदी चल रही है ये दोनों भाई. दिस इज द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट इन माई विश लिस्ट जो कि इतना हाइप्ड है. लाइक इट इज सो मच हाइप्ड. या हियर वी गो. दिस इज इट. नॉर्मल क्रीम लाइक टेक्सचर इसका और कुछ नहीं, बट इट हैज़ अ वेरी फ्रेशिंग स्मेल. एंड फॉर दिस वन पता नहीं मैं दोनों क्यों लगा रही हूँ, जस्ट टू शो. This has a slight, you know, lighter texture than the other one. And इसका smell is also better. I guess guys the pink one is so good. Protection is very important. This is my body sunscreen or sun lotion that I got from Sunscoop. Yeah, and I apply it daily when I go out. Also skincare mein I got this Ordinary ka AHA BHA peeling solution as a face mask and I cannot apply it right now, otherwise maybe skin chill jayegi. You can use it only on weekends, but I can show you the texture of it. Yeah, actually it's very beautiful, but you should be very careful while using this one. It has a list of instruction that needs to be followed. चलो, now let's move to our makeups. फाउंडेशन मैंने लगा लिया है, बट 2 कंसीलर्स क्योंकि मेरे आँख के नीचे बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क सर्कल्स हैं. One is from this Lakme C Vitamin C Super Glow and the other one is from Blue Heaven because I got it for free. Like free में मिला था, I was like चलो ठीक है, I want to use it. But this face powder by Faces Canada, मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा यूज़ किया already and this is such a good compact, like amazing. That it has given me the final touch. Finish is done. Lip shade or lip color paglu. So I got these 2 wax lip colors from Maybelline and one of these from Lakme. But the thing is that I generally use Kylie and Huda Beauty for my lips, but they are so expensive. And then I finally realized कि नहीं भाई नहीं, इतना spend नहीं कर सकते daily basis पे SRM के लिए और मतलब SRM के लोगों के लिए. They are not worth it. So I have actually degraded to drugstore makeup, from my high-end makeup to drugstore makeup, just in order to keep up with the pocket and to look good. Blush 99 rupees and 99 rupees mein. And look the finish it is giving. So good. Actually look, the finish is really so good. Let me show you the lip shades. This one is brown. Yeah, this is the lip shade of this one. I'm gonna apply this today. Second one is हाथ धोना पड़ेगा guys. Is this light pink? पता नहीं मैंने इसको क्यों खरीदा. It's not my color at all, but ठीक है. Have a look. I don't know why. I might give it to my mom because she's very fair and that color is gonna really look good on her. Now this shade, this one, this is really nice. Look at this color. है ना? Isn't this a pretty color? I'm done with my makeup. पूरा चटकीला हो गया है lip color, so I'm skipping gloss because my lips are already giving so hard. I'm done and I am late also. So the entire shopping that I did from Nykaa Pink Haul sale costed me around 12 to 15,000. Like I don't know the rough estimation, 15 to 20 or 12 to 50. It's 9, but it was actually worth the money because all the products were at a cheaper price than they are actually present. Charlotte Tilbury ke so many beauty products were at a lower range. They're like it was like things which are of 8,000 were of 2,000, were of 3,000. So yeah, Charlotte Tilbury, Elf Beauty, MAC Cosmetics, they had a huge discount and I ordered a lot of them, but then they have gone back to Patna where I live because I use all my mother's credit card for that. And these things I got it with my own savings. So yeah, and last May I'll show you my hero product, like this thing, Victoria's Secret ka Bare Vanilla. Guys, this beauty from Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla Body Shimmer. Oh my god, I so much wanted to buy it and I love it so much. Like, this is my hero product, bro. This is a fucking 2,500. I got it for $1,000 on Nykaa Pink sale. So yeah, this was the best thing. It smells so good and it has actually, sparkles. So it actually sparkles in your skin, giving that light, sun glow. So yeah, I loved it. This body shimmer was the hero of all my shopping and I just love it very much. So guys, we have come to the end of the video and I've showed you all the products that I got from Nykaa Hot Pink sale. And as a girly, I went crazy. Whenever there's a sale on Nykaa, whenever there is a sale on Myntra, I just lose my mind and I buy so many things. please invest into things mindfully. Everything that I got was something that I wanted to get for myself. Actually buying stuff just for the hype, like वो मैं करती हूँ. I do that thing, but yeah, I should not. Of course, I don't want you guys to spend money like that. But if you want to, then you can. It's fine. You can treat yourself well. Also, thanks for watching the video. And hey, after a long time, I'll try to be more, what's that called? Consistent with posting my videos. And bye bye. See you later. Go have fun.